Hello from Belgium, where we have come to see the smallest rotary harrow in the BEDNAR KATOR KN model series, as you can see behind me. This is the KATOR KN 3000 fixed model with a working span of 3 meters. BEDNAR joined this segment with its KATOR KN Rotary Harrow series in 2021, and this year we have already sold the first machines to France, Belgium, Italy and Austria. This KATOR KN 3000 Rotary Harrow is completely equipped with hydraulics, so the working depth is also set hydraulically. This hydraulic cylinder sets the working depth of the rear packer. This is the rear packer, in this case a trapeze packer. This type of rotary harrow can also be equipped with a cage packer or a packer roller. The trapeze packer is suitable for light or medium-heavy soils. The packer creates a quality corduroy effects surface. An interesting thing about this machine is the aggregation frame. This is optional equipment. The aggregation frame can be supplied with a Category 2 or 3 hitch. The aggregation frame can be used for attaching a rotary harrow to a seeding bar or other tools for ridge tillage or other soil cultivation and seeding. The hitch has a lifting weight of about 1.5 tons, which is sufficient for this working width. The rotors are followed with bi-leveling bar with a mechanical setting. The leveling bar is an important part of the rotary harrow, as it continuously pushes any large clods of soil that did not break sufficiently back against the rotors, and it also creates a perfectly leveled seedbed and surface before the rear packer. We are now at the front part of where the rotors are. The rotors have a small spacing that ensures perfect crumbling of large clods and excellent soil profile cultivation along the entire working width. The triple bearing system is a remarkably interesting and huge competitive advantage of all KATOR KN models. It means that one row of bearings is above the serrated wheel and 2 rows are below the serrated wheel. The 2 bottom rows of bearings guarantee maximum rotor stability and make sure that rotors make no clearance when working. Another interesting thing is the stone equipment for the KATOR KN rotary harrow that prevents rotor damage. It protects the machine against rocks and stones, and it basically means that there are special covers that protect the gearbox from the impact of stones and creates a double labyrinth sealing that prevents contamination of the bearings, and it also prevents stones from getting stuck between rotors or blades at the top. The robust gearbox that transfers the tractor output to the rotary harrow is the foundation of all rotary harrows, including the BEDNAR KATOR KN. The rotary harrow can be driven by a power takeoff with 750 or 1000 RPM. In this case, the rotor RPM is either 346 or 462. As you can see, the rear packer is equipped with wipers that can be easily replaced when worn, and it is a perfect tool that prevents soil from sticking to the roller when working in moist fields. The rotary harrow is immensely popular here in Belgium as a tool for potato seedbed cultivation. As you can see, this field was tilled in the autumn, and now there are large bits of soil that are hard to cultivate. Actually, we are now in a place that has been worked with the rotary harrow, and you can see that the soil is perfectly fine and crumbly, and there is an ideal seedbed for planting potatoes. The BEDNAR KATOR KN rotary harrow series are offered both in the fixed and folding versions. The working width ranges from 3 to 8 meters in relation to the individual models. If you are interested in this product, visit our website where you can read more about it. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to the next one.